everyone, and welcome to Jack and Cat Adventures. Today we're continuing our detox recipes, and we're going to make grilled steak with homemade seasoning, okay? So you're going to need 4 grass-fed steaks. I have 2 because this will last me days. So I have really nice looking thicker steaks, and what you're going to do is you're going to need any kind of salt, but Himalayan is really good for the detox. You're going to need onion powder, black pepper, paprika, basil, parsley, celery seed, oregano, cumin, and garlic powder. So let's get started. So on the salt, we're going to need 2 teaspoons of salt. I have washed, rinsed, and dried my steaks. One tablespoon of onion powder. Now if you're only doing a couple steaks, just make this recipe and then you can just store it in like a Ziploc bag or a plastic container with a lid. And you can use it next time. Half a teaspoon of pepper. And I am going to grill these out on the grill. 1 teaspoon of paprika. While you're watching me do this, please subscribe down below to get our channel, YouTube channel going and bringing you new content every week. 1 teaspoon. Okay. And we're putting out about 3 videos a week, so you'll get a lot of recipes. Okay. Then we have our basil, which is a half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of parsley. A 1/4 teaspoon of celery seed. A 1/4 teaspoon of oregano. A 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. Now if there's some spices in here or that you don't like, just omit it, don't put it in, it doesn't matter. If you don't want to even do this, just use salt, pepper, and garlic powder, it's delicious. And the last thing is 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Alright, so we're just going to mix that all together, and then we're just going to rub it on our steaks. Now, I'm going to let my steaks sit out just a little bit because I just took them out of the refrigerator, and I want them to get a little bit warmer so that way they aren't so cold in the middle, because I'm not going to cook mine well done. I like mine rare. So bring it to kind of a room temperature. Take it out about a ½ hour before you're ready to put it on the grill, and that'll help the inner temperature get to what you want on the grill, because if you don't, you'll burn the outside and the inside will be really, really cold. So all I'm going to do now is take one of these steaks, and I'm just going to rub this stuff on them. As much as you want, as little as you want. Okay, and that's it. And then we're going to let it sit for a little while, and then we're going to put it on the grill for about, I would say, 3 minutes on each side, depending on how thick yours are. If they're thick, if they're more than an inch, inch and a half, I would probably do 3 to 4 minutes on each side, depending on how you guys like your meat done. It's all up to you. Alright, I'm just going to let this set and I'll get back to you. Alright, so here's our finished products. We ate and forgot to take the picture, so we're just showing you what we ate. Everything, I have to say, was delicious. I let my potatoes go a little bit longer. I would say about 40 to 45 minutes because I liked them a little bit brown and a little bit firm. And the broccoli only took 20 minutes and it was done. The steaks, about 3 minutes per side, 3.5 to 4 minutes per side. And that's it. So please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And remember, you do you.